break, break.
Good afternoon, Mr. Clean. Sounding good, the Northeast, 122 state of Maine waving.
Well, I'll tell you what, 122, you have no problem down in Arizona, break.
Yeah, I'd say old Mother Nature lined us right up there, because you just rolled right in there. I had absolutely nothing on the meter, and all at once, it just moved right in. So I had to bump it down, see if I could wave a hand back at you, Mr. Clean. Sounding real good up there in Maine.
Yeah, Roger. I kind of keep my antenna pointed up that way every now and then, trying to power get Superman up there, and where the hell is he? I don't even remember where's that, huh? Anyway, you have a good day out there in Maine. We're going to get on the side here and listen just a little bit. And Mr. Clean, Western Arizona, we're on the side break.
Right back at you, Mr. Clean. Sounding real good. Got a little video game rolling, and definitely you're the star. Hey, Mr. Clean, have yourself a good one. 122 state of Maine waving, and we're back on the side. Bye-bye.
122 state of Maine, 122 state of Maine. Mobile trying to get on the video gauge you got there. 143.
Well, I had about 3 or 4 stations hollering at me there. Couldn't quite catch any of the numbers out. So we're going to get on the side and listen a little bit longer, break, break.
That Mobile in Arizona, I heard you. I missed the numbers, but definitely making it to Maine.
122 in Maine.
Now, Jersey, that's who I was trying to holler at. Hey, Shogun, we're trying to holler at that Superman up there, Roger, Roger.
Juliet, Echo, Foxtrot, back to you.
Yep, you've got some echo in with your old transmit there, that Mobile in Arizona. Hey, we're going to slide back out, and Mr. Clean, I believe it is, he's trying to do a QSO, and I don't want to get in the way. Have yourself a good one. 122 Maine, we're sliding to the side. Bye-bye.
Have a good rest of the weekend there, and 143 Arizona Mobile.